Hello, welcome to the channel where you learn how to take care of your nails by yourself at home. I'm Joe, and in this video I will teach you three things. How to go from long nail to short nail, how to switch from round shape to square shape, and how to apply stones on semi-permanent nail polish. First thing first, what you will need for this whole process is a nail tool for the cuticles, scissors, nail files, UV lamp, degreaser, cotton pad, primer, base coat, colored nail polish, top coat, stones, a stick to apply the stones with, a bowl of warm water and a towel. Let's get going. First, what I'm going to do is push the cuticles with this tool. And when I'm done pushing them, I will clean the surface of the nail with the other part, the sharp part. Moving further, I will use a nail file to clean the cuticles from the sides of my nails. And now, even though I have very long nails, I'm gonna go to short ones. And for this, I'm gonna use some scissors to just cut them. From this point you have two options. Either you keep the round shape or you go with the square shape. This time I will go with the square shape and I will just use a nail file to adjust my nail. And now I have short square shape nails. Going back to the cuticles part, to properly remove them, you need to put your hand in a bowl of warm water so they can get soft. Leave your hand for a few minutes. Use a towel to dry it. Then just cut the cuticles around your nails. Clean nails require a cool nail polish, right? I'm gonna apply a semi-permanent one and I will start with the primer. One layer of primer. This helps the other layers stick better to the nail. You don't need to let it dry in the UV lamp. Now about the other layers, the base coat, the colored nail polish and the top coat. When applying them, apply a layer on these four fingers, put it in the UV lamp, then apply on these two fingers separately, put it in the UV lamp, and last these four fingers. Otherwise, if you apply the layers on the whole fingers and put your hand in the UV lamp, the nail polish will drop on this side of your nail. Don't need to trust me, you can test it. Or you can take my word for it. Two thin layers of base coat, and after applying each layer, I will let it dry in the UV lamp. Now the part with the colored nail polish. I'll go for some pink this time. I'll apply two layers of pink, and after applying each layer, I will let it dry in the UV lamp. Now, about the part with the stones. For this pink, I will use some black stones, some top coat, and I'll just put the stick in the top coat to get it wet with top coat so that I can take the stone. And I will apply it on this nail here in this corner. I'll also go for another stone that I will apply here on this nail in the corner. And I will let them dry in the UV lamp. I'll do the same for the right hand. As the stones are on my nails now, I will apply the top coat, one layer, and I will let it dry in the UV lamp. Apply the top coat over the stone. This way it won't fall. A valuable trick here: seal this front part of your nail with top coat. Last thing it needs to be done, and we're finished, is to degrease your nails with some nail degreaser. Apply some on a cotton pad and just degrease your nails. Hope this was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to turn on the notifications, and to spread the word about it. Bye!